Welcome back to the channel, guys. Doing something a little different today. Have another unboxing and sort of like a quick review for you. I've done one other on a Shimano Stratic FL XG 3000. I'm not sure if that video will be posted before this one. I think this will actually be posted first. That's a gift from my brother, so I haven't posted it yet because I haven't given it to him yet. So anyway, so let's get into this. I'm gonna unbox this beauty, but real quick, I'm gonna give you some just of the kind of stats of it, if you will, if you want to know some of that stuff. Like I said, it's a 5000. It has 24 pounds of drag. It's got X ship, X protect, waterproof drag, cross carbon drag with the carbon fiber drag washers. It has, I'll give you some other stuff here. It's got the Hagani gear, Hagani body, one piece bail. It's CI4 plus, Aero Wrap 2. So I mean, they throw a lot of stuff into this reel. It is, one step down from the Stella essentially. Now this is not the saltwater one, although I don't actually own any of those. I use all the regular Stratics and Sustains and stuff that are supposedly freshwater, right? In saltwater, because they're all sealed. If you rinse them off, you take care of them, you can definitely use them in saltwater. They're just not. It's just how Shimano does their naming and model stuff. But anyway, so that's all the boring lingo, right? Let's open this thing up and look at this beauty. Now it does have some light on it already. The bait shop put some 30-pound Power Pro on there for me. It's not the Super Slick V2. I guess it's the newest one, which I can't think of the name for you right now. But let's put this handle on. So, first impressions. First thing I noticed when I was fondling this thing in the tackle shop today, it is buttery smooth. It is absolutely, which you would expect from a reel, of this price point. It's like I said, it's not the most expensive that they make. That it's under the Stella, but it's up there. It's definitely my most expensive reel. I normally don't go for the Twin Powers and the Stellas and all the high end stuff. I own a lot of Stratics. I'm definitely in that ballpark usually. But I wanted a 5000. I needed a 5000. I'm gonna put this on a Shimano Grappler J-type jigging rod. It's gonna be a vertical jigging rod. A vertical jigging setup for mostly amberjack, but vertical jigging, and so that's what I bought this for. And I needed a 5000, and it is really hard right now to find stuff. I don't know if you guys are finding that, but if you tackle shops, or they're low on stuff. And actually, I had to go up to St. Pete to pick this guy up. My local shops where I live actually did not have any 5000s. Shimano's, Daiwas, Pens, they did not have anything. So, and then up in St. Pete, this is what they had. They didn't have a 5000 Stratic. They didn't have a Sustain. So I went on the higher end. But I think I'm gonna like it. This thing seems really, really awesome. Like I said, 24 pounds of drag. It does have the carbon fiber drag washers like I showed you guys on the Stratic. Take this off, and you can see the gasket there because it's a waterproof drag. Spool comes off, and I think I took that out on the Stratic. Hold on. Okay. Let me show you guys here. Okay. So, retaining pin comes out, and then you can actually. So here's the first, like regular. I don't know if this is metal or plastic. Feels plastic, but I think it's some kind of metal. That's what the carbon fiber drag washers look like. If you can see that. And they'll alternate, so there'll be a metal, then one of these, and then another metal. They alternate. There's usually about 3 of each. And every once in a while, you want to take this apart and grease those. There's actually not a lot of grease on there from factory, but it's funny. Pin is kind of opposite. Pin lathers these things up with grease from factory. Not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but probably before I take it out there, I'll grease it up a little bit. Get that back down in there like so. Okay. I love the colors on this. I don't know if that's, I guess it's like a gray, like a shiny gray. And then the gold, obviously. But it looks fantastic. Something else I really like is this knob. This thing is super comfy. It's like an EVA foam knob. A lot better than the, I love it, a lot better than the, like the paddles that you'll see a lot of times on the 4000s. I think they're doing the EVA foam on the Sustain and up. Don't know if the Stratic has the EVA foam yet. My FLs don't. But they might put it on the 5000 FL, Stratic FL, which I don't own one. So, but anyway, yeah, this thing is going to be nice. Hopefully we can get, Amberjack is open, just opened in our area, so we're hoping to get out there this weekend. Maybe jig up some reef donkeys and show you guys that. That would be awesome if we can find some. They're usually everywhere, right? So if we can, weather permitting, it's been rough as crap lately. So if we can get out there, hopefully we'll find some amberjack. But yeah, comment down below if you like this sort of thing. Like I said, this is the second one of these I've done, but it'll probably be posted before the first one. So let me know if you like this. Maybe I'll do it some more. Yeah, that's it, guys.